My hair is now mess. Let's start. Hi guys, this is Shweta. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a very fun video. This video is inspired by Nikki and Gabby. Yeah, today we're doing the twin photo shoot challenge, but this is a quarantine edition since we can't go out and that baरिश भी हो रही है. So basically giving you a gist of what this video is going to look like. In this video we have decided 3 themes and उसी 3 themes को लेकर we have to click pictures. Now the rules are that we can't go out since it's raining and also lockdown, and we have to click pictures around the same theme. Yeah. Using self timer. Yeah. So we can't help each other out in anything like in edit or anything else. And we have 3 themes. First theme is monochrome portraits, but हमारा उसमें ये twist है कि हमें उसमें collage बनाना है. You know, like a Kodak frame collage sort of thing. Next thing is artsy. So do whatever out of the box you can and just make it as artsy as it can. And third theme is pretty simple. We have to use a prop. The prop is sunglasses. So we have to use sunglasses and take the picture. We're really excited, and let's just get started in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Hi guys, what's up? I'm starting to click my pictures. The first picture that I'm taking is the black and white frames. These are just a few close-ups, nothing serious. I'm just wearing a plain black t-shirt and I've straightened my hair a bit. I'm very excited. Let's hope it turns out good. Let's start. So far, so good. Hi guys, it's time for my challenge, and for my challenge I've just straightened up my hair a bit, which doesn't look like because my hair is so frizzy today. So I'm wearing this turtleneck. I want to tie my hair in a bun, but if it doesn't look good, I'm just gonna leave it open. Also, I'm wearing this watch जो कि मैं बाहर नहीं पहन पा रही, तो इसलिए मैंने अभी पहन लिया है. So I'm just gonna go and click some pictures. I tied up my hair, I don't know. Let's just see now. Oops. Oh my god, I'm already done. It took me literally 1 hour to get like 18 pictures. क्योंकि मेरा focus ही नहीं हो रहा था. It wasn't just focusing on my face. Anyway, let's get to the second picture. I'm on to my second theme, and the theme is artsy. So I'm wearing this sort of artsy t-shirt. I don't know if this is artsy now, but yeah. What I'm planning to do here is I'm going to paint my hands. Like I'm going to do that in the edit. I'm not going to literally paint it. I'm thinking of like some, you know, very colorful hands sort of thing to make it look artsy. Only 4 pictures and I think I'm done. I don't know. Okay, so this is the last theme, which is the artsy theme, and also ये idea मेरा खुद का original idea, so I'm really doubting that this will work, but I'm trying to do it. And मैंने बस normal से कुर्ता पहना. Again, I don't know about my hair, so I'm planning to do something with paper and a scissor. I don't know what. This was tough. This was not easy. Hi guys, moving to the third theme, which is using the prop sunglasses. Now for this particular picture, I haven't really planned anything. I really searched for an inspiration, but I couldn't get one. Also, मेरा दिमाग भी कुछ खास चल नहीं रहा है for this particular photo. So I'm just going to play with some poses and try and do some fun editing. मेरी हर picture मुझे लग रहा है editing पे ही निर्भर है. If the edit doesn't go well, I don't know what I'm presenting. But I've worn this anti-social t-shirt, which I think goes very well with the sunglasses vibe. I think so. I also have this denim jacket, so let's just start shooting. I have no clue about this one. Okay guys, now it's time for the second photo. I'm wearing my hair like this, but I might just do anything when I'm taking the picture. Also, I'm wearing this top which is like polka dot-ish. Wait, let me just... Yeah, polka dots in this choker. I don't want it exactly retro, but since it's sunglasses, you know, I figured sort of that. I'm also going to be using lights, which I don't know how it's going to work out. We'll see. This is the picture I'm getting. This. Finally finished taking my photo. Completely different than what I thought, but I'm actually happy with it. Okay guys, we have finally done shooting all the pictures, all the themes.
Yeah, and this was a lot of fun.
Yeah. So तुझे कितना time लगा shoot करने में?
I think it took me around 2 hours to click the pictures and then 3 hours to edit.
Okay. So it took me 3 hours to shoot and just like 45 minutes to edit क्योंकि मैं focus ही नहीं कर पा रही थी. So yeah.
Yeah.
So which editing apps did you use?
I mainly use PicsArt, but I also used Visco and Lightroom.
Okay. So I used quite a lot of apps, different for different pictures. So Visco, Snow a little bit, Prequel and PicsArt. A little bit of Lightroom also. अगर इतना edit के बाद भी photos अच्छी नहीं लगी. Oh my god.
Okay. So we haven't seen each other's pictures yet, and I'm very
Yeah.
excited. So we are going to just WhatsApp each other our pictures, and जब तक हम देख रहे हैं आप भी देख लो. So
Yeah.
inserting my pictures here.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is good. Okay, I really love it. Especially I think मुझे सबसे जो अच्छी लगी वो है artsy.
Yeah.
Because मैं at the end I was like artsy वाली तो मुझसे मतलब like I was done with the whole shooting thing. So but I really like the artsy one. I also like the sunglasses one because I think it's very, you know,
It's I
sassy and all.
yeah, I try to give it a little like retro-ish feel.
Yeah.
If that makes any sense.
Yeah. I love it. It's really good. Okay, now my turn.
Oh my god, I really like it. I think your best picture is the sunglasses one.
Oh,
I really
okay,
like it.
yeah.
I feel like you've posed really well,
Okay.
and it feels like, you know, 80s में ऐसे आते नहीं है, like the t-shirt also you're wearing is really nice. And I also really like the portrait.
Yeah.
I really like it. I feel that it's very well done. But I don't really like the artsy one. मुझे उसका कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा what you're trying to do. But yeah, it's good. Okay guys, ऐसी वीडियोस में हमने अक्सर देखा है कि यूट्यूबर्स आपस में डिसाइड कर लेते हैं who's the winner. But we didn't want to do that, so we have a judge.
Yeah. So he's a photographer friend and his name is Sniggy. You should definitely check out his work. Link is in the description. But he's gonna be the judge, and so I've just told him about this already. So I'm just WhatsApping the images and hoping कि वो बहुत जल्दी reply दे देगा.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. So I WhatsApped the images to him. Okay, he replied, but I haven't opened the chat yet. So are you ready
Yeah.
to know who's the winner?
Yeah.
Okay.
So मुझे लगा नहीं था गौरी जीतेगी, but yeah, whatever.
I'm so happy. Okay. So he's
Actually मुझे लगता है गौरी को भी नहीं लगा था कि वो जीत जाएगी.
No. I think I knew कि मैंने क्या किया, so I thought the tough competition तो होगा, but yeah, I mean.
But मुझे honestly लगा था कि मैं black and white वाले में जीत जाऊंगी. But now that I go back and look at your pictures, I think you go better.
Artsy, okay, so he's given a brief opinion. So Artsy में शिवी जीती है, बाकी दोनों में मैं जाती हूँ. Artsy में
I just had to win.
undoubtedly she had to win.
Yeah.
Because at the end I was last मैंने Artsy वाली
इसकी
shoot की है.
Totally.
So I'm like, I'm done. My idea was a total fail because I wasn't able to focus, but I'm really happy with the results.
Yeah. I think it's a very fair decision.
Yeah, and I'm really happy because obviously I won. So yeah. In case you like this video, make sure you
Like, share, subscribe and comment. If you want a part 2, comment and tell us that you want a part 2. Okay?
Yeah, and also follow us on Instagram because you should.
Yeah.
And we'll see you with another video. Till then, bye.